WORX Stock Analysis and WORX Stock Predictions. Is it a buy? This is more so end of May, beginning of June. I'm covering all that in this 1 minute video. And as the only guy in this space with 40,000 videos made, it's taking me 5 years. I've seen what's making me money and what's not. Unironically, when Scworx is here, previous idea of mine was so on point, it's crazy. Like, let me show you the proof here. Yeah, you can see it was sitting at 260 at the time, 6 months ago, and since then it just kind of kept melting. And there's one thing that I'm going to tell you that for me, it's just still a bearish market. Like, I'm not trying to play hard here, play like arrogant prick or whatever, but it's just the truth. And I would much rather stick to something that I've tested, and that. But other than that, if you want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month, click the first link in the description. You get my free emails. Goodbye. I'm not sure. Yeah, I do. I'm sure there's previous receipts in the Discord. Oh no. That's freaking... I lied to you.